Hindi ka
Ano
na
ka na?
tanungin. How did you cope? Did you cry? Because I see you sometimes like you're very sad.
Nyo, ha?
Na,
Kumusta
huwag mo
yun?
isama yan. So I have another question for you. In the UAE, you were working as in the admin or as a manager, and you are working in a quality field. And here in Ireland, you are working as a staff nurse, working in the bedside. So how did you cope? Or is it too difficult, or how is it for you?
To be honest, it's very hard to adjust for me. And I had to learn and unlearn some things. Like, for example, previously I'm the one who audits the nurse's notes and everything. But now I am the one
Who's being audited?
who's being audited, and I'm the one writing the nurse's notes.
Mm-hmm.
When I started working here, everything changed. Like, I'm happy na walang gaanong pressure, and then less pressure kasi I'm working as a staff here. Yeah, so basically I have to learn everything here again. I have to learn
Basics.
the healthcare system of Ireland. I have to read a lot, or I have to attend a lot of
Do you read a lot?
webinars. Charot. But yun nga, parang I am enjoying kung ano man yung nasan ako ngayon, kasi nga walang pressure, walang stress. I mean, there is stress kasi nga kasi I'm adjusting. I need to learn some things. So there is a stress, but there's a little bit of pressure, but the pressure is way less compared to my previous work.
But do you cry? Did you cry?
Did you
know,
cry for
same.
what? Did I cry for what?
Like, you were once like this,
Mhm.
and now you are like this because you are starting all over again. Is it too difficult? Is it too hard on your part? Because, you know, there's really a big change for you.
I mean, I did not cry for the part that I moved from the managerial level to, but I think the hardest part really was learning new things again and not being supported.
Because I see you sometimes like you're very sad. You're very sad, and like,
Lalabas ba natin to?
so when you are about to go to work, you're all like, oh, I don't want to go to work. I don't want to go to work. You're like that. But now, I see like a big change on your mood, on how you cope, in the like work-wise.
I think it was really ang hirap nang sabihin. But I think I adjusted well. Somehow, especially I'm working now on a different floor.
Because I just want to ask you, you know, because I actually saw how the tables turn around. How the tables turn around. Like before, when you are in a low mood, you don't want to go to work, you're always like saying, I don't want to go to work, I don't want to go to work. But now you're just waking up in the morning and you'll just go to the toilet and prepare and go to work. What's my question again?
Nasagot ko ba yung tanong? Ang tanong.
I actually don't know.
Nyo, ha?
Na,
Kumusta
huwag mo
yun?
isama yan. Kasi for me, in an organization, hindi mo naman talaga lahat everyone works differently. Everyone copes differently. For example, ako, hindi naman medyo parehas kasi yung setting ng konti. I work in a home care, only one patient. But in a care home, times 20. So I have to do my job like times 20. 20 times. Parang ganyan. Pero sa'yo kasi it's different. Kasi iba yung work mo, nasa office ka, ito ngayon nasa bedside ka. So I just want to know how you cope. Kasi I know, maraming galing sa UAE na, especially sa UAE, na mga managers sila doon. And when we come here, syempre we're starting. So,
yun lang. Pero nga, sabi ko, I don't know if I still wanted to be a manager here in Ireland. Kasi nga parang, it's different now. It's a different kind of work environment, or for sure magiging iba din naman yung priorities ko in the next coming years. So I really don't know, but for sure I'd like to work in a setup na day shift lang and my fixed off. Yun lang siguro yung goal ko for now. Kasi syempre may plans naman din tayo, so ayoko yung night
Iba-iba
shift
lang
pa ako, paiba-iba, di ba? So parang
but you will go through that phase, I think so.
I don't
Until
know.
you find that right job for you, like.
I mean, for sure, no?
At the end,
I
I
don't
think-
know, but I still have this goal to be part of that organization, no? I will not divulge na lang here. It starts with letter H. Pero, I mean, I don't know, I really don't know kung mag-a-align yung stars sa punta doon. Pero, yun lang. I'm enjoying my life here in Ireland.
Right now.
Oo.
And you're grateful.
Yeah, I'm grateful kasi stress-free, tapos mas simple lang yung buhay dito. Mas simple lang.